Hi, I'm Cindy Metz with Reisdorf Metz Partners at Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's International Realty. I'd like to welcome you to our newest listing at 21187 North 80th Way in Scottsdale, Arizona. This home is located in the guard-gated community of Raptor Retreat, which is in the master planned community of Grayhawk in North Scottsdale. This home features 2,880 square feet of livable space. There's about 2,500 square feet in the main home that features 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and this fabulous great room. You can see that the kitchen has been completely remodeled. In addition, there is a guest house, detached, has a bedroom and a bath, perfect for your out-of-town guests. We love the front courtyard pool, and then the backyard features a putting green and looks out over natural space. The master plan community of Grayhawk offers homes of all sizes and price points. It's anchored by 2 golf courses, the Raptor and Retreat, as well as a clubhouse with fine dining. You'll notice that there are restaurants and shopping very close by, as well as the freeway that gets you anywhere you want to go in the valley. If you have any questions about this home or would like to schedule your own private showing, please reach out to me, Cindy Metz, at 602-803-2293.